Hi, it's Lee at My Productive Mac, and I just wanted to do a quick video to show a few of the features that I love in CleanShot X, the awesome screenshotting tool for macOS. Now, macOS is pretty good with its built-in screenshot capabilities, but CleanShot X has some features that, to be honest, I didn't even know I needed until I started using it. So, number one, we have the ability to hide desktop icons when you're capturing. So, on the right-hand side of a screen, I've got 5 icons there. I'll just come up to CleanShot menu bar icon up here. I'll select Preferences. And the option to hide desktop icons while capturing is just here. I'll leave it highlighted and close this Preferences window with Command and W. Now I use the shortcut to get a selection of the screen, and that's Shift Command and 4. And lo and behold, the icons are gone, ready for me to capture safely, knowing that they're not going to clutter up my environment here. Okay, I'll just lose that preview down there. The next feature I love is being able to dynamically change the wallpaper when you're capturing. Now once again, I'll come up to the menu bar icon. I'll select Preferences. This time I'm going to highlight the Wallpaper tab here. Now you can elect to not change the wallpaper, which is the default. But if you're publishing the screenshot to some documentation or online, you may need to have either a custom background or even just a plain color. Now if I select Custom Wallpaper, then a Finder window opens and I can select the image that I'd like. I think I'll go for a plain color though, so I'll select any color here. There we go, that one will do. I'll close that. And now close this here. Okay, let's hit the shortcut again, Shift Command and 4. And now I've lost the old wallpaper and gained this new one, as well as hiding the icons. The same thing happens if I take a different type of screenshot. So I'll click on the CleanShot X icon again, and this time I'm going to choose Capture Window. I'll select this text document here, and we can see in the preview that the test doc window has been captured with a completely different background. Now the scrolling window capture is possibly my favorite feature. This test doc actually has more than 15 lines here, and often I may find myself needing to get a screenshot of something that spans more than one screen. That's no problem with CleanShot X. I'll click, I'll choose Scrolling Capture. Now I have to drag the part of the screen that is going to contain the text or the data that is going to be scrolled. So I'll carefully highlight here. Now I'll click Start Capture. And a preview appears on the right, which shows how it's going to look when it's completed. And if I scroll nice and slowly, not too fast, we get to the end. This question mark here is just visual. It's like, hey, are you done? And I'll click Done, because I am. And the preview appears. I'll click on it to view. And there we are. No interruptions there. We have a great screenshot of the whole scrolled image. The final feature of CleanShot X that I love is the Annotation Tools. Now, I used to use a third-party application to carry this function out, but no longer. Lots of the early tools here are similar to other apps. So we have Crop, we have Move, we have a rectangle frame here, we have a filled rectangle, a circle, and of course if you press Shift while you're dragging, then it turns into a perfect shape. We've got a line tool, an arrow tool, and of course some text. I'll create a text box here, just type some text in. Then I can highlight it and change the font size and also change the color. But the really cool stuff comes next. Now this option here allows you to pixelate the text, so I'll drag over here. This means that I can now edit out any confidential information on my screenshots. There's a slider to adjust the degree of pixelation that's applied, which is pretty awesome. Then next to this we have a spotlight tool. So select an area of the image. And we can see it's got a spotlight on it now. And again, you can use this slider up here to adjust the amount of spotlighting that takes effect. To the right of that, we have a counter, and if you're providing documentation that calls out different areas of the image that you've captured, these counters can be great, and I use these all of the time when I'm creating training documents for clients. Then to the right of that, we have the more standard drawing and highlighting tools. Here they are. And as well as this, CleanShot X has a ton of other features that set it apart from the built-in tools within macOS. And I have to say, I love this app. I totally recommend it. Thanks for watching. Check my site out please below, and also subscribe to see more videos weekly, or as I find applications that I just want to share with you.